Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Today we will see how we can do right click in any web page. So we will see how to perform right click. For example, let's open google.com and here I just want to right click on this box. So for that I have already written here driver path, and then I have created Selenium driver object, and then I'm trying to open google.com. Let's try to run it, and then we will write code to perform right click on the browser. So now this is our web page. I just want to perform right click here. So first thing, we need to locate the element. So for that I'll right click on it, and then I'll go to inspect element. Let's click inspect element, and then we will click on this icon, select icon. We'll click on the box, and here we can see this input, right? Name equal to Q. So I will use this one, name equal to Q, and then I'll write web element we equal to driver dot find element by dot name, and then I will put here Q, so that I can easily locate the element and import this web element. Now after that, we have already imported this. If I want to write something in this text box, I can write through this. So I can directly do we dot send keys, and then using this I can type anything there. But instead of typing, I want to right click on it. So to perform right click, we have to use actions class. So we have actions. Let's say action equal to new actions, and in this action we have to provide driver object. Let's import this actions, and then using this action object I have to send context click and context click on the web element. So now if I will do web element, and here we have already created web element that I want to right click on this box, on this search box. So using that I can pass here. Now after that we have to build it. So we can do build and then perform. By writing this, it will open context menu, and then we can see the right click options here. So let's see if it is working or not. Yes, you can see this pop-up is coming because of right click only. So hope you get how we can perform the right click. Although we have another way also, we can do robot class, and using robot class also we can perform some right click or anything that is available on window. We can do that thing, but that particular thing we'll see in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video.